at the moment. We have 2 storms on the way, so there's no cycling today because it's just not going to be safe. And weather here in Ireland turns very quickly. With that in mind, I hopped on a train and I went to Kilkenny. The rain and the wind is now starting to pick up. I think one thing I'm really thankful for is this is actually a warm rain. I think it's about 14 degrees outside right now, so I'm not freezing, but I have acclimatized and I also have enough clothing, and proper clothing at that, to keep me warm and dry. I've been walking around Kilkenny for probably the last 15-20 minutes, and I have stumbled upon an art gallery, so let's go check it out. It's like spring's on the way because the cherry blossoms are out. I absolutely love these little pubs. I find Irish weather so weird. One day it'll be like 4 degrees and absolutely bucketing down. The next day it's like a pleasant 15 degrees and just a little bit wet. Lovely place for a hotel, right across the river from the castle. This building right across the street was built in 1581, and it was to give shelter for the homeless of Kilkenny. Over here is a limestone drinking trough for animals. The top part is for horses and the bottom part is for dogs and littler animals. It was actually commissioned in 1902 and it only cost £58 and 5 shillings to build. I think these days though, they mostly use it as a planter. If your castle needs new kitchen cabinets, the place next door will sort you out. You know, if it snows this week, that hill would be tops for sliding down it. Check out the ceiling. Some of the wallpaper that was found in this castle is from China and in France. And actually some of it was even made in Fota in County Cork. known as the withdrawing room, and this is where the ladies would come when the gentlemen would do unladylike activities such as smoking and drinking. And a lot of the buildings you see here have the Chinese wallpaper. And this room right here is the formal dining room from the 1860s. Across from the castle are the stables. If I was any kind of barnyard animal, I would thoroughly approve of these stables. They're beautiful. Yeah, okay, I know a lot of you might look at me and go, God, she's a weirdo. I'm actually having fun. I think it's fun. Guys, I think I missed my calling. I think I should have been a weather girl because I actually love this weather. It's so much fun. It doesn't bother me. You're in for a real treat. This is cool. Wow, there. So funny. I actually got distracted by all the rain and that cool little cove over there, and I totally forgot where I was going. But don't worry, we're getting there. It's this way. The sign has lured me in. Right now would have been the indoors. Gee, just look at that. That's incredible. The intricate carving is just mind-blowing. Apparently, the more money you had, the closer you were buried to the altar. Oh my goodness. They're absolutely beautiful. I'm thoroughly impressed with these windows up here. And They used to have stained glass in them as well, but it was all removed. Did you see the little Lego man? I actually have a question. In churches like this, are the bodies still in the walls? I wonder what's down there. Medieval Mile Museum, definitely worth a visit. Awesome. I just love how random this is. I'm just walking on the street and then, oh look, to the right, there's a medieval building. All I've been doing today is just wandering around, and it's been awesome. I don't know who I am. I'm just wandering and just finding places as I go. I'm at the train station in Kilkenny, and across from where I'm sitting, the ticket machine printed a ticket without anyone around, made noise, everything.